everyone, welcome back. We are heading into the last week of September and October is right around the corner. A lot is happening in the market right now, and in this video I'm going to basically walk you through what's been going on so far, what's driving XRP, why billions just flowed in overnight, and what it could mean moving forward for you especially. But before we jump in, I just want to do a quick reminder. If you do want to actually trade XRP with leverage while all this is happening, Bitunix is the exchange that I personally prefer and use. You only need an email to get started as well, which makes it very simple and easy to use. And of course, don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube if you want daily updates on XRP and the crypto in general market, just like this one. Okay, now let's get into it. First, let's check the numbers. Bitcoin is holding around 112k, Ethereum just about 4,100, and XRP is trading close to 2.85. That puts it only a few billion away from climbing back into the number 3 spot overall. And market-wide, we are sitting at just under 3.8 trillion in total crypto cap. And if you have a look at it, the big headline for this is that XRP has been bouncing since dipping under 2.72, and over the last 4 days it's gained about 7%. That move wasn't just random. More than 6.7 billion in fresh capital came into XRP overnight, and that's not small retail money as well. That's institutional. And it matters because big inflows like this set the tone for the entire week. And if you think about it like this, retail traders aren't dropping billions on a Sunday night. This is basically a conviction from larger players who clearly see something building. And every cycle has its leaders. Bitcoin led with ETFs, Ethereum led with DeFi, and right now XRP is positioning itself as a front runner. So let's talk about the technicals for a second. 2.65 remains the key support. As long as it holds, the bullish structure is intact. If XRP pushes back above $3, higher targets open up fast, 3.80 to 4.20 first, and possibly even the 4.50 to 6.50 zone if momentum accelerates. If 2.65 breaks as well, the next major area to watch is down near to 2.30, but it's just not price action. Infrastructure around crypto is also moving quickly. Quant just launched QuantNet, a system that lets banks plug into tokenized money and digital assets without even tearing out their old rails. For finance, that's very massive. And think about the early internet. Before networks were unified, growth was limited. And once everything connected, adoption exploded. And QuantNet could play that same role for global payments. And then we've got Eric Trump making headlines. He basically pointed out that Bitcoin led to send $500 million on a Sunday night instantly and with no fees as well, which is great. That's the kind of thing that terrifies banks because their entire model basically relies on friction and delays. And of course, XRP can do the same thing even faster and cheaper. So here's the bigger picture here. Billions are flowing into XRP. Institutional appetite is real, and banks now have the infrastructure to adopt blockchain through tools like QuantNet, and even political voices are highlighting crypto's utility. So the timelines are accelerating across the US, Europe, Asia, Latin America, you name it. And the acceleration phase isn't just coming, it's here. So the next few weeks could decide whether XRP does cement itself as a leader in this cycle or not. So definitely keep an eye on that. Thanks for watching, and I will keep you updated daily. So make sure you're subscribed. And once again, if you want to trade XRP with leverage, check out Bitunix with the link below that I dropped. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.